Today we'll be installing the MTech E1000 programmable touchpad deadbolt. It has a key as a backup. The key comes with a Wiser keyway from the factory. We can change if you order off our website to most any keyway you mention to us. It could also be keyed to a key-like system if you have existing keys in your household you'd like to keep with the number you provide us. It's a pretty simple installation. It comes with everything you see here. Both back set bolts, heavy duty battery, 2 keys, we're good to go. First, obviously, you have to remove the old deadbolt. Fairly straightforward. Last, remove the bolt. Now, one thing to note, with this lock, is that it does require the 2 1/8 inch hole. The back set, as mentioned earlier, it is less important. It has to have a large diameter hole. If you don't have that, we do sell what's called an Oops Arbor. It has a separate tutorial video on our website to make it easy so you're not chewing away at the door like a rabid beaver. It'll make easy installation. Now we're going to go ahead to install the lock.